I love you. I can't wait till this picture's released. I'm going to let Lena know, and I'm going to let everybody know.
Your fans will be bitterly disappointed.
From now on, there's only one fan I'm worried about.
Oh! What'd I tell you, Lena?
Thanks, Zelda, you're a real pal. I want that girl off the let one. She's gonna be my boy. Zelda told me everything.
Thanks a lot, Zelda. You're a real pal.
Oh, anytime, Dawn. Now look, Mr. Mont, Dawn and I...
Don! Don't you dare call him Don. I was calling him Don before you were born. I mean, well, you were kissing him.
No, I was kissing her. Now get this straight. I love her.
That's ridiculous. Everybody knows you're in love with me.
I'm going to marry her.
Silly boy, she ain't the marrying type. She's just a flirt trying to get ahead by using you. Well, I'll put a stop to that. I'm going to see Aura right now.
You're a little late, Lena. The picture's already finished. If this girl weren't in it, you'd be finished too.
As far as I can see, she's the only one who's finished. We'll never hear of her.
Everybody. Why do you think Zelda was in such a sweat? Kathy nearly stole the picture from her.
She's only helping you out and doing you a favor in the dancing gondolier.
And she's getting full screen credit for it, too.
You mean it's going to stand there that I can talk and sing for myself?
Well, of course. What do you think?
And there's a whole publicity campaign being planned.
Publicity. They can't make a fool out of Lena Lamont. They can't make a laughing stock out of Lena Lamont. Well, I make more money than Calvin Coolidge put together.
Yeah, too good. There's not enough room for so many good kids in one studio.
Gee, Zelda, don't you think you're being a little ruthless about it?
Ruthless? Ha! That's what this game's all about. Be ruthless. Take again, rat. Be ruthless. Unconditionally ruthless. That's the game you must play. That in the hindsight guarantee. Ruthless gets you on the marquee. Ruthless, they're notoriously ruthless. Those who have a career. Deary, being sweet and affectionate only leads to rejection that never wins you any awards. He's ruthless.
I could sue you for the whole studio.
That's a lot of nonsense.
That's so. It's right here. Contracted June 8, 1925, paragraph 34, subdivision letter A. The party in the first part. That's me.
Okay, Lena.
We're going to take Kathy's own part right off the screen.
All right, just got this premiere over.
Satisfied? Oh, just one little thing more.
Yeah, I want my change in the studio to Little Mom Pictures Incorporated.
Hello, RF, you're cute. No, I was just thinking, you give this little girl a part in Sally's picture, and you're going to give her an even bigger one in the next.
So what?
So, if she sends us such a grand job dubbing for my voice, don't you think she's got to go on doing just that? And nothing else.
Lena, you're out of your mind. I wouldn't do that to her in a million years. People just don't do things like that. It'd be taking her career away.
People, I ain't people. I am a shimmering glowing star in the cinema firmament. It says so, right there.
Let's do the same as they. I would.
Thanks, kid. We owe you a lot.
Thank you.
And Kathy, we made it.
Don, it's a miracle.
You know you sang as well as Kathy Sullivan.
Yeah, and I'm gonna for a long time.
Now, Lena, I used to be clicking behind those bleacher curls of yours. Now, get this. Kathy only did this for this one picture. She's got a career of her own.
That's what you think.
Nina's getting a little carried away, isn't she?
Yes.
Now, listen, you boa constrictor. Don't get any fancy ideas. Tell her, RF.
Never mind, Aura. Listen to that applause out there and wait till the money starts rolling in. You ain't gonna give that all up just because some little nobody don't want to be my voice.
Got something there, boss. The bull nine. Part of that decision's mine, Miss Lamont, and I just won't do it.
You've got a 5-year contract, honey. You'll do what RF says.
What's the matter, RF? Why don't you tell her off?
I don't know. This thing is so big. I'm confused.
Come on, you're tearing the house apart.
Simpson, I once gave you a cigar. Can I have it back?
Now, wait a minute, Congo.
It's an avalanche. Oh, Salvin, you're stuck.
Now, listen, RF. If this goes on, you're going to have to get yourself a new boy, because I just won't stand for it.
Who needs you? They ain't come to see me when I played opposite a monkey.
Now, wait a minute, Lena. Don's snatched too. I'm gonna say a few words while I'm still running this street.
Nah, I'm not so sure. You're the big Mr. Producer who's always running things. Running me. Well, from now on, as far as I can see, I'm running things.
Oh, Lena Lamont Pictures Incorporated, right?
Yeah.
Lena, I think you've gone over too far.
A speech. Ron, they're calling for a speech. A speech? Yeah, everyone's always making speeches for me. Well, tonight I'm going to do my own talking. I'm going to make the speech.
Oh, now wait a minute. This is Lena's big night. She's entitled to do the talking. Right?
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, I come to tell you how thrilled we are at your reception to the Dancing Cavalier, our first musicale picture together. If we bring a little joy into your humdrum lives, it makes us feel as though all our hard work ain't been in vain for nothing. Bless you all.
Hey, here's someone at the picture. Sing something, Lena.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
We have got it all planned out. Now, you're gonna go up there and listen well. Kathy's gonna go behind that screen and sing for you.
You mean to be singing? I'll be out doing, look at the picture? What?
Kathy, you got to do it. This thing is too big.
Of course she's got to do it. She's got a 5-year contract on it. You get behind that screen, Sullivan.
Listen to him, Kathy. Do it.
I'll do it, Don. I'll do it. But I never want to see you get on or off the screen.
Miss Lamont?
Singing in the rain.
Singing in the rain.
And what key would you like?
A flat.
A flat.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm lying down lane, dark of love. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Stormy clouds chase every heart from the place. On with the rain, I will smile on my face.
I walk down the lane.
Stop that girl, they're roaring down the aisle. That's the real star of this program. That's the girl whose voice you heard in lunch tonight. That's Kathy Selden. Oh, Kathy. You are my lucky star. I saw you from afar. Two beautiful eyes that were gleaming, gleaming.
Oh,
Critics Corner, Critics Corner. I'm not filming them all. I'm not filming 3 different versions of this.
Well, they did a good job.
Yeah.